How to delete Instagram account on PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to head over to our Instagram, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click more here, and then I'm going to open the settings. Now here you should see where it says see more in account center. Go ahead and click that one. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and open the personal details and then account ownership and control. Here you have the activation or deletion. Go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to open our Instagram. And then we're going to choose delete account here. Now take note that deleting your account is permanent, but don't worry, there is going to be a 30 days deactivation process first before your account will be totally deleted. Now again, I have selected delete account, click continue. And then I can go ahead and enter my password here and I should be done. So once you have entered your password, you are just going to confirm this process, and that is how to delete Instagram account on PC.